Yeah, hello to all IB learner or mathematics learner. Today I have one topic to explain all of you. It is logarithm in base 10. Yeah, logarithm in base 10, it is say as a function, but we just focus on base 10. In fact, logarithm in base, there are many base from 2. It means that base is bigger, greater and equal to 2. So base 2, base 3, base 4. But base 10, it is a special case that we no need to write log base 10. We just only write log. It's enough. And then this is also ln, it means base e. Base e. So, logarithmic pair. Okay. Now, this is a graph of y 10 power x. This is, in fact, it is not logarithm form, it is exponent form. But logarithm function and exponent function, we call inverse function each other. So this is a graph of exponent function. That why we can have this graph, because we create table value of x and y. X we call independent variable, and then y it is dependent what depend on x. When you give x, y it will have value also. For example, why this graph will become like that when one y axis is equal 10, because y 10 power 0 power 1, so it is 10. And then this 10 power 0, it is 1. That's why this point is 1 when x is 0. Yeah. So this is a definition that logarithm in base 10 are the positive number is the power that 10 must be raised to the in order in obtaining number. So this is just a introduction about the logarithm base 10. And this is a sample that we can use, or we can say it is a logarithm property, or they said law of logarithm. It is 10 power. So before you know about logarithm function or logarithm base 10 or anything, you need to know about the previous time. It means exponent function first. So it is 10 1000, it means 10 power 3. Okay, this is the rule. When you have base logarithm base 10 of 10 power x, so the result is x, because we have simplified logarithm of a base a equal 1. This is the law. If no base indicate, we assume that it's in base 10. Yeah, that I mentioned below. We no need to write base 10. We just only write log of b is enough. This is b. We write, for example, we have logarithm base 2 of a. So we no need to we need to call it logarithm base 2 of a. Logarithm base 2 of a. Okay. We'll move on to another problem. This is we find sometimes the selection we need to know, and we need to calculate with calculator also, because some logarithm or some value of x or a or b we cannot calculate it. So we will use calculator. There are many type of calculator that you can use. This is they said without using calculator. So all of us need to convert it to power. So this I just mentioned some points, and all of you can take practice. So I can write logarithm base 10 of 1 2 3 4. So 10 power 4. So the reason is 4. Why? Because logarithm base 10 of 10 power x equal x. So when we convert it to the power, so the x value is 4. So logarithm base 10 of 10,000 is 4. For example, letter B, so you need to convert it 0.001, so it equal 10 power minus 3. So the reason is x equal minus 3 is the reason. That is result 1. And then you need to remember logarithm base whatever of 1 all the way 0, all the way equal 0. So this is 0. Okay. E. Before you can do it, you need to remark about A. For example, I have square root of 10, so I can say m over n. This is the reason. So letter E, I can write logarithm 10 power half 1.5. So it is equal 1/2. And this also, when we know clearly, 3, this negative. So you need to convert the first 1/10 power 1/4, and then you raise up, you move it to from denominator to numerator, so it will change. The result is base 10 of minus 1/4, so the result minus 1/4. Okay, this is a reason. And then this is also, we need to convert tens. So we multiply 10 power 1/2. So we use the result A, property A power n, m plus n. So this is equal 1 plus 1/2. So the result tens 3 of 2, finally n 2. And this also, we need to convert is tens power 2 power 3. Why? Because 100 is 10 power 2. So the result 2 power 3. And then this is also negative. So we need to calculate over 2, and then we drop it out over 2 and plus. So 3/2. So the result is minus 3/2. Yeah. Letter K. Letter K, 10 power 1 power 3. So it means that 1 plus 1, 3, 4 power 3, the reason. This also 10 power 3 multiply 10 power 1.5, 10 6 plus 1/2. So 1/2 is the reason. Yeah. You can check it, and if you need to solve, you can research or just comment. I will send you the link of the book. Okay. Simplify. This is, I think, no need to explain you. You can use it by yourself. And this is also, this is approximately value that I can say, mention about that we need to use calculator for find value of x or whatever they want. And the next video, I will explain you how to define a, and suppose it is a function, and this is y. So we will find inverse function of this graph. Okay. So this session is on, and thank you for your attention.